Today I'm placing a plant in my pond that is excellent habitat for both frogs and for insects, all manner of insects in fact, and fish. It's an Australian native and it's kind of infamous. And you want to know more about it? Well, here's a 90-second native where I tell you as much as I can in just 90 seconds about a native plant. Welcome to Wood Wide Web. Here we talk about all things nature, particularly in your home gardens. If you'd like to support what we do and learn more about Australian natives of all shapes and sizes, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, or simply pop a comment down below to support us. We appreciate every little thing you do. Now let's get into it. And this one's about one of our local ferns that grows in water. Doesn't look like a fern. This one's about the infamous Nardoo. This is what it looks like. A bit like four-leaf clover. So 90 seconds and the clock starts now. Okay, as I said, Nardoo is a fern. It's not even a plant, it's a fern, and it needs to grow in less than 1 meter of water. So it's quite happy in mud. It's also quite happy in 40 centimeters of water. That's about its comfort zone. These beautiful clover shapes float on the surface of the water, and then it has these things called sporocarps. Now, sporocarps are basically the seeds. So as you may or may not know, ferns don't have seeds, they have spores. And this clever little native puts its spores into a hard capsule. That hard capsule then bursts when it's soaked in water and releases the spores to create new plants. The amazing thing is about this is they can go 10 years or more in the dry Australian outback waiting for rain. So the waterhole can dry up, the sporocarps remain, and when the water comes back, those sporocarps burst and you've got new Nardoo. Oh, almost out of time. So Burke and Wills, famous explorers, they travelled through Australia and were fed the sporocarps, which were ground into flour by the Aboriginal people. And then they tried to do it themselves, but they didn't understand the processing and they died because this one inhibits absorption of vitamin B1 and gives you a very painful death. Time is up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe if you'd like to support what I'm doing here. And if you have a pond, consider Nardoo. Although obviously if you're not in the inland parts of Australia where this is native, make sure it doesn't get into our waterways. Next time we get into it, I'll see you then.